Aging joints causing discomfort? Pilates has a powerful solution. As we advance in age, the inevitable decline in muscle mass and joint flexibility can lead to tightness in hip muscles, including glutes, hip flexors, and stabilizers. This tightness may result in weakness and a reduced range of motion. Pilates teacher Rebecca Dadoun warns that weakened hips can affect almost every movement, making simple tasks challenging. You might struggle with getting up from the floor, climbing stairs, maintaining balance, or walking for extended periods without discomfort. But here's the good news. Rebecca emphasizes the importance of strong hips, stating that they improve balance, posture, and core stability, making daily movements easier and more controlled. When your hips are strong, you'll move with confidence and power, whether it's during exercise or simple activities like bending, lifting, or rising from a chair. Pilates focuses on strengthening and mobilizing the hips, preventing injuries and promoting better alignment, flexibility, and fluidity of movement. And this is where the Pilates Leg Circle comes in. This fundamental exercise is a game changer for those with hip issues. It's not just about moving the leg in a circle. It's about mastering control, strength, and stability throughout the body. By focusing on stabilization, leg circles build core strength, enhance hip mobility, and improve coordination, making them the favorite among Pilates enthusiasts seeking to enhance their practice. Pilates Leg Circles, a full-body experience. Pilates leg circles are a classical full-body exercise that requires you to move your leg in a circular motion while keeping your trunk still. A challenge lies in maintaining control and stability throughout the body. Benefits of Pilates leg circles. This exercise strengthens the hip flexors and leg muscles, but it's a whole body effort. Your core muscles stabilize the body. The supporting leg presses into the mat, and even the backs of your arms work to anchor you down. Who should try Pilates leg circles? Rebecca suggests that Pilates leg circles are best suited for those with some Pilates experience. She explains, I recommend a tailored approach as individuals have varying strengths and modifications can be made to achieve similar results. How to perform a Pilates leg circle. Starting position. Lie on your back with legs extended and pressed into the floor, feet flexed. Position your arms in a low V by your sides, palms pressing down. Bend one knee into a tabletop position, turning the hip out so the knee points toward the shoulder. Then extend the leg toward the ceiling with a soft point in the foot. The movement. Inhale, draw the leg across the body. Exhale, sweep the leg down, out, and back up to the starting position in a circular motion. Hello second act. https://www.hellomagazine.com/newsletter is a free newsletter for women in midlife, offering advice and inspiration on various topics like health, relationships, travel, menopause, and more. Tips for success. If extending the leg is challenging, keep a slight bend in the knee. Maintain a still spine and pelvis, adjusting the circle size to your comfort level. Use the backs of your arms to stabilize and anchor the body, focusing on extending the heel of the supporting leg. Modify as needed, and remember that breath control is crucial. Draw your navel towards your spine as you exhale fully through the mouth. Controversy corner. Some fitness enthusiasts argue that Pilates may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain physical limitations. What are your thoughts? Do you think Pilates is a universally beneficial exercise method, or should it be approached with caution? Share your opinions below.